Hello friends, this is English legal dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Ready? Start. All the aforesaid applications have been filed by the respective defendants as mentioned herein above under Order 6, Rule 16 CPC with the prayer that the several pleadings made by the plaintiff in his respective application to the individual written statement of the applicant/defendant be struck off full stop. Since the nature of the reliefs sought in all these applications is the same and they are premised on more or less the same submissions, I have heard common submissions of learned counsel for the applicants and the learned counsel for the plaintiff and proceed to dispose of these applications by this common order full stop. The plaintiff has filed the present suit to seek damages with the allegation that the defendants have made libellous, scandalous, and false allegations against him by which he has been defamed and suffered damages full stop. The plaintiff sets out in paragraph 3 of the plaint that all the defendants individually and collectively have undertaken a false/malicious and defamatory campaign/propaganda against him and his family members which has reached everyone within and outside India full stop. He states that this is clearly calculated, engineered and designed by all defendants between them for gaining political mileage and other unwarranted benefits at the cost of causing irreversible damage to the plaintiff full stop. The plaintiff states in paragraph 4 that the said false/malicious and defamatory campaign/propaganda against him and his family members is a counterblast to a CBI search of a bureaucrat in the Secretariat of Government of NCT of Delhi on 14/11/2014 full stop. He states that apparently this malicious propaganda of false and baseless allegations is not only with a view to deflect the incident of CBI search of a bureaucrat but is also an orchestrated malified design for ulterior political motives of the defendants against the plaintiff full stop. In paragraph 5 of the plaint, the plaintiff has set out some of the statements made to and carried by the print and electronic media by the defendants individually and collectively allegedly in the course of the malicious campaign full stop. In paragraph 11 of the plaint, the plaintiff inter alia states that defendants individually and collectively moving further with their ulterior political malified designs further created an impression full stop. In paragraph 16 of the plaint, the plaintiff states that by all acts of omission and commission by the defendants including making false, baseless, scandalous, malicious statements/allegations against the plaintiff, they have made themselves liable individually and collectively for the irreversible and unquantified damage full stop. Sorry, unquantifiable damage, full stop.